What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for joining me. Um, if this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome again. Thanks for returning. This lead today, and before we jump into that, this channel is all about making money online. That's all we talk about. That's all we care about. Um, and of course, we care about why we want to make money so that you can reach the life that you dream of, having the time to live the life that you dream of, and the resources to do what you want to do as well. So if you are in line with things like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And stay tuned for more amazing ways to make money online. Now, this lead is about a senior front-end engineer at teaching.com. It is a remote opportunity, which means that you do not need to be in an office. You do not need to be at the establishment to perform your duties. You can work from home. You can work from a coffee shop. You can work from an outsourcing place. Because, they have these virtual, not virtual, but you have these places where a lot of nomads, digital nomads, tend to gather and do their work. Places like that. So, yeah, you don't need to be at the job to do your job. Now, let me turn your attention to the top left corner. It is 7:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's date is the 10th of March. Yeah, time is going quickly because it was just yesterday that it was Christmas. But time's going, and you need to get on that. So, like I said, it's remote. This was posted 19 hours ago as of 7:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 10th of March. This will be posted on the 11th of March, which is tomorrow. Okay? Now, you'll be a senior front-end engineer at teaching.com, if I haven't said that before. And let's jump into it. So, it's an international opportunity. You can work from anywhere. It's 100% remote. So at teaching.com, they are working to change the future of online education by building exciting products that equip students and teachers with the tools to succeed in the classroom and beyond. We're a small, hard-working group of self-starters who are passionate about what we do and constantly seek new ways we can be better together. We were fully remote before COVID, and creating a healthy remote culture is a key priority for us. As a member at teaching.com, you'll be part of the team behind some of the most important educational games, with titles such as typing.com, the world's largest learn-to-type software used by millions of students every day. NitroType, the #1 educational game in the world played by millions daily. Reading.com, the only digital program specifically designed to teach children 4 to 7 how to read. Know who you are and what you'll do. We are looking for a curious and passionate designer with a drive towards building web software that enables users to handle complex functions in a simple, elegant, and beautiful interface. You're less concerned with patting yourself on the back for pixel-perfect designs and more concerned with quickly and efficiently delivering value to our users. The ideal candidate has experience leveraging data, user research, and intuition to craft designs and is comfortable translating designs into HTML or CSS. So it's a full-time position. It's not freelance or anything like that. They didn't specify if it was part-time or full-time. Well, they did specify it was full-time. What I'm saying is they didn't say if it was permanent. So I want to say it's a permanent position, but ask that question when you get into the interview because you want to be clear. That is a very important piece of information that they did not mention. Okay? Because you can be full-time but not permanent, if you get what I mean. Full-time refers to how many hours you work, while being permanent or not affects whether you're a contractor or if you're employed to the company. Right? So be sure to ask that question when you get into the interview because they didn't clarify that. Now, skills and background. Exceptional communication skills, particularly written. As a remote company, we heavily emphasize written communication across all departments. 5+ years of designing web applications, a strong portfolio of product, UI or UX design, proficiency writing performant and accessible HTML or CSS. basic understanding of browser performance and standards, comfortable working in Git-based workflows, able to meet deadlines in a fast-paced, quickly changing environment, a proactive approach to problem solving with strong decision-making skills, a positive attitude and entrepreneurial spirit. Now, bonus points if you have experience and or passion for designing in the education marketplace. Now, the compensation benefits and perks, you get a very competitive salary. Ask them about what that specific salary range is. But my best advice is to do a bit of research. Find out what the range is for that position, and then go in prepared with an offer or what you're willing to accept. Okay? My thing is, if they don't state clearly in a situation like this what the salary is, then it means that you have more power to leverage how much you want to get paid, because they didn't state it clearly. So you can better bargain what your salary can be. Next is flexible office hours. You work remotely, so clearly your hours are flexible. Ongoing education assistance, flexible paid time off, remote office stipend, so you get a contribution to your home office or wherever you choose to work. Company owned laptop monthly meal adventure and annual company retreat. Now, everyone at teaching.com is empowered to move quickly, make decisions, and get things done so we can continue to make learning accessible to our growing community of more than 75 million students and teachers internationally. Join the fully remote team at teaching.com to create, develop, and deliver fun and engaging games for students and educators. No recruiters! Sorry, we will not transfer or sponsor visas. We are an equal opportunity employer. We care deeply about the culture at teaching.com and have put together a manifesto outlining our values, communication, and product management strategies. Prospective employees will learn a great deal about what it's like to work here by reviewing it. And if you actually want to work there, hit this button. Smash that button. Fill out the application form. Expect responses from teaching.com and its email addresses and so on. Don't be scammed. Don't send your card information to anyone promising you salary if you send them your card info. All that's rubbish. Don't send out your credit card details or your social security if you're in the US or anything like that. Alright? If something seems fishy, leave it alone. Vet this company, vet everything, the lead and everything, before you jump in. Now, I'm not saying be paranoid. I'm saying be smart. And go ahead and actually check the links in the description below. There are links that will teach you or help you start your own online business. Even if you want to do this and you want to do something passive on the side, you can learn to set that up as well. Just check the links in the description below. But guys, that's it from me, the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. Stay safe. Peace.